just so you all know, I'm wearing a shirt. I'm first going in with a light shade concealer, and I'm just patting that in with a sponge. This is going to be the base for my eyeshadow, and then setting it with a translucent powder. Now I'm taking a full foundation and I'm just applying it all over my face, a little bit down my neck. I'm just gonna beat that in. I like using foundations when I'm working with body painting because I like to make the colors appear better. Now I'm taking dark green eyeshadow and I'm shading it, but nothing too crazy, so I'm just overlaying that. Now I'm going in of lime green and a pretty bright yellow eyeshadow. I'm applying it all over my lid. I wasn't sure what I was exactly doing with the eyes at first, but then I decided to drag it out later on. Now I'm taking some green in the outer corner and inner corner, just some dab. I'm using a small pencil brush so it really stands out against the lime green. Now I'm taking the same shader brush and I'm just kind of placing the color and slowly dragging underneath above my eyebrow. I did it around my chin and mouth, nose. I wanted it to like mimic toxic goop. Also, the further I drag it away from my eye, I use a lighter hand. That way it kind of fades and blends into the rest of the skin and so just getting nice and dirty looking, you know. Now I'm taking a green eyeliner and I'm just outlining the shape of the toxic. I originally drew these holes on my shoulders because I was going to do something cool with it, but different instead. I'm taking yellow body paint and I'm filling in the toxic sign on the inside. Take the rest of the yellow body paint and fill in the shoulders. Random spots on my chest just to give some more pop color, I guess you would say. Guess what? We're not. I decided to use the yellow body paint for winged eyeliner because eyeliner is my life. So when I experienced with wing eyeliner, the best way for me to do it is I draw in the first half on my inner eye, then I make the length I want, and then take it from the corner point and drag it down and connect pieces. So I would in combination from earlier, and I'm taking it on a bigger, fluffier brush and just all over to give more of a splattered look. Cute slow-mo. No. Okay, bye. Now I'm taking a black eyeshadow and I dusted off most of it, but I'm just like patting. And then I do end up taking a smaller brush to get more toward in my inner corner. But then I went in fluffy brush blush and I kind of dipped it into my body to kind of give me dusty, like all over my body. I decided to go with the points of my lips, like it's a little sunken in, even though it's not going to matter later on once you see what I do. Now I'm taking a black liquid liner and I'm just kind of lining the toxic sign. Then I'm going to do white body paint and I'm going to fill in the empty spaces in the middle. Get black body paint and kind of lines and thicken them a bit so it pops more. I also decided to kind of add some texture to these yellow spaces, so I just did a bunch of squigglies and dots, more just enough to the look. Of course, you can't stop looking without being like a sweaty shine, so I just found the whitest highlight and applied it to the highest cheekbones, chin, forehead, nose. Now taking a toothbrush, I soaked it and then just held it up and just kind of ran from up to down and splattered it all over. Did it again with the black. Obviously, you're going to get a little bit messy. I'm not joking when I say this entire look was inspired by this black lip gloss I have. It is so shiny. It's just a perfect thing to add to this look. I mean, look at it. Then I popped on this highlighter colored wig, styled it the way I do. Probably took me about 20 minutes to put my contacts in, but then you're done and ready to rock. The Nyx Face, hopefully I can make it this year. Like and subscribe. I'm definitely going to be here again, and see you later.